Looking to supercharge your server's performance? Look no further than the 128GB 2x64GB DDR4-3200 ECC RDIMM server memory by Nemix RAM. Designed specifically for servers requiring DDR4 RDIMM, this upgrade is not for your average PC. But for those invested in maximizing server capabilities, it's a game changer. Each upgrade package consists of two 64GB memory modules, totaling a whopping 128GB capacity. With a memory speed of 3200 MHz, it operates at a standard 1.2V, making it 100% JEDEC compliant. The technology behind it ensures reliability and efficiency, meeting the demands of even the most intensive server tasks. Manufactured using multi-layer density PCB with gold lead and major chipsets by Micron, Samsung, or Hynix, Nemix RAM ensures top-notch quality. Their DDR4 memory boasts double the bandwidth and energy efficiency compared to DDR3, promising a significant performance boost for your server infrastructure. And let's talk compatibility. Whether you're running a tower server, rack server, blade server, or array, Nemix RAM has got you covered. Plus, with a lifetime replacement warranty, you can rest assured knowing your investment is protected. In summary, if you're serious about optimizing your server's performance, the 128GB DDR4-3200 ECC RDIMM server memory upgrade by Nemix RAM is a must-have. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless operation. Upgrade today and unleash the full potential of your server setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.